Welcome back, guys. So in today's video we are discussing about new material, not new rather, but this is the material which is extensively used for kitchen countertops. So revealing it to you, which is G7. G7 is also called as nano white or exotic white. Even sometimes it is termed as G5. So this is the material which is supposed to be stain proof. But in order to be very sure, my client wanted to do a quick check on site. So what we did is we got a sample from the market, and this sample she literally tested it with pickle oil, haldi, turmeric, soya sauce and red chili paste. So this all the things what I rightly mentioned were kept on the sample for a period of 24 hours. Then post 24 hours, what you see here is the G7 which had passed the test. So there was not even a single stain or a single mark of the samples which we had used. So this proves that this material is really good for kitchen countertops. We extensively use turmeric, red chilies and very strong spices in our day-to-day life. So if your kitchen countertop is not stain proof, then that will definitely spoil the look of your kitchen. Hence G7 is a material which even I recommend widely. It is available. The only thing is what you have to be sure is about the correct material, because many a times some samples are shown and the material which is available on which comes to your site is sometimes a different one. So be sure of ensuring that you get proper material, and yes, you can definitely use it for kitchen countertops or even the seating countertops. It can be used even for offices in case if you want to have a stone look for, a stone kind of finish for your tables. Definitely this is the material which is really worth using. Thank you so much. Bye bye.